Moms and dads, my name is Mary and I would like you to watch this video. It is made for you on Smartbaby channel to help your children learn the alphabet. Today you will see a cartoon about the letter A and the main character in it is the kind alligator Arnold. After the cartoon you will see how to make Arnold out of plasticine. I think you will like this way of learning the alphabet. But first, Daniel will tell you more about it, and I'll tell you the story of the cartoon.
Dear mums and dads, Smartbaby channel invites you to watch this introductory video, which consists of two parts. Cartoon, in which the main characters and cartoon characters, names and objects begin on the letter of the alphabet studied in this cartoon. In the second part of the video, children will learn to make the main character of the cartoon from plasticine. This format of presentation of information will allow children to easily memorize the alphabet and numbers. Working with plasticine develops finger motor skills. Coordination of movements and colors are well remembered. On the channel will be placed videos for each letter of the alphabet and numbers from 0 to 10. And for each video, you can download templates for working with plasticine. If you want to show children only a cartoon or educational video with plasticine from this video, we place on the channel for each introductory video for you. We will also place on the channel for each video and separate parts of such videos, cartoon and educational video. YouTube channel Smartbaby posts 3 videos for each letter of the alphabet for the 2 main cartoon characters. The first video is for mums and dads. Parents see a cartoon and an instructional video. The second video is a cartoon for kids. The third video is an instructional video for everyone. We make the main character of the cartoon from plasticine. Moms and dads, this hour you will see a cartoon and educational video with a good song about the main character of the cartoon. Children will easily memorize letters and numbers in this form of learning. If you like this kind of teaching material, please like this video and subscribe to receive notifications about new videos. And please watch further in this video cartoon and educational video about the new letter of the alphabet.
Friends, I'm going to tell you a story about a kind alligator named Arnold. The first letter of his name is the letter A. He lives in a friendly forest where all the animals play together. The forest is bright and beautiful. One day, while playing hide and seek, Arnold came across a glowing rock half buried in the dirt. He called out to his friends. Arnold was surprised and said,
"What's that?"
He is answered by his wise parrot friend Amelia, who knows everything and can change the color of her feathers when she thinks and speaks.
The glowing rainbow gem was a magical A-shaped stone. It was bright, and when it shone it lit up our forest and everyone was bright, warm and happy. But now there's an icy wind blowing through the trees. The sky overhead is darkening. Heavy ominous clouds are coming, casting long shadows on the forest. This hour, the rainbow gem has fallen from the high crystal peak and is in the ground. Let's read the message from the gem.
The stone informs us, "Take me back to the crystal peak before the last light goes out."
But it will be hard for us to do it. There is a long hard road ahead and we have to carry the gem to the top of the crystal peak, which is frozen. The evil clouds threw the gem into the mud so that it would not light up the forest, and the forest was cold and dark.
Arnold has a beaver friend Arthur. He is always cheerful and not afraid of anything. He said,
"Friends, I am coming with you and will help you carry the gem and set it on the crystal peak."
"How are we supposed to carry him? He's so big, right?"
"I'll ask for the gem and it'll be small enough to fit in the basket. Then it can be brought to the crystal peak. A gem of letter A. Please become small. We will put you in a basket and take you to the crystal peak."
The friends saw the big gem become small and lay in the basket. Alligator Arnold, Beaver Arthur, and Parrot Amelia walk along the path of the night forest. Their path is lit by a basket of flowers and a glowing gem in the shape of the letter A. Two angry clouds hovered over the forest. They did not want their friends to return the gem, and the sun, joy, and fun to return to the forest.
We don't want Arnold to return the gem. The woods must always be dark, cold, and scary.
For a long time, they were getting cold. The night was gone and the day came. They saw that the grass had disappeared and snow had appeared. It was real winter. In front of them was the road leading to the Crystal Peak.
Crystal Peak is very high. What do we do?
We need our friend Arthur to make a big ladder, and then we can climb the ladder to lift the gem and set it on the Crystal Peak.
We need to find a place where there's no snow. I'll cut the trees and Arnold will bring them to me. I have a saw, a hammer, and nails, so I can make a big ladder.
And so the ladder was ready. Amelia checked and said,
"The stairs are solid. I see Arthur and Arnold are in good spirits, so everything is going according to plan." Well done, friends. Just a little more and we'll complete our task and set the gem on the Crystal Peak.
Arthur holds the ladder and Arnold climbs up it holding the basket with the gem, and then Arnold is at the top of the Crystal Peak. He puts the basket with the gem on top of the Crystal Peak.
Arnold, come downstairs, magic is about to happen.
Arnold is down and the friends look up at the basket. A miracle begins. The gem in the basket starts to grow quickly, it becomes big and it becomes light, the night and snow disappear and summer comes, a rainbow appears and the letter A looks like a rainbow, the animals of the forest celebrate the rainbow and Amelia the parrot says,
My friends, you have watched our cartoon and realized that it is necessary to be friends, and when you have friends, you can defeat any difficulties and even defeat the evil clouds and bring the letter A gem to the top of the Crystal Peak, and also all our names begin with the letter A.
Arnold is the letter A.
Arthur is the letter A.
Amelia is the letter A.
Friends, keep learning the alphabet. We'll see you next time, and we need to do you an assignment from Arnold. Look further after the cartoon video in which you will learn how to make from plasticine Arnold and write the letter A. Let your parents, brother or sister help you make Arnold the alligator out of plasticine. Dear moms and dads, did you like the cartoon about the kind alligator Arnold? This hour watch a video tutorial, how to make a template alligator Arnold from plasticine and SD disk. You can already download the templates below this video. And listen to our songs about Arnold the alligator.
In a fairy tale forest where the sunlight sparkled, there lived Arnold the good alligator with a brave little dream. With Amelia the parrot, smart and agile to the bone, and Arthur the brave beaver who knew what to do. One starry winter evening, they stumbled across the land, a jewel shaped like the letter A glittered around them. It told of a story of a peak so tall and bright, but now it had lost its magic, and all around was endless night. Oh, lift him high, let him shine, together we'll rise in time. the top of the crystal blue. Now the forest trembles. What else is left to do? Arnold shouted with courage, "We'll find a way to fight. We'll build a mighty ladder and bring back the light." Arthur gnawed on branches, building sturdy and tall structures. Amelia brought wisdom to guide them. With each step they climbed, their bond grew stronger. Together they were stronger and could achieve their dreams. Oh, lift it high, let it shine. Together we'll rise through time. Through the darkness, through the cold. With our friends we'll be brave. When hearts unite, the light will shine. Through teamwork, warmth, and joy will grow. When the jewel reached crystal heights, the forest blossomed with golden light. The evil clouds began to dissipate. The dawn of hope and love began to dawn. Now Arnold, Amelia, and Arthur are singing in the woods where the joy bells are ringing. When you have friends, you'll always know. Together there's no place you can't go. Oh, raise it high, let it shine. Together we'll rise through time. Through the darkness, through the cold. With our friends we'll be brave. When hearts unite, the light will shine. In a fairy tale forest where the sunlight sparkles, there lived Arnold the good alligator with a brave little dream. With Amelia the parrot, smart and agile to the bone, and Arthur the brave beaver who knew what to do. One starry winter evening, they stumbled across the land. A jewel shaped like the letter A glittered around them. It told of a story of a peak so tall and bright, but now it had lost its magic, and all around was endless night. Oh, lift him high, let him shine. Together we'll rise through time. Through the darkness, through the cold. With our friends we'll be brave. When hearts unite, the light will shine. Through teamwork, warmth, and joy will grow. so tall and bright, but now it had lost its magic, and all around was endless night. Oh, lift him high, let him shine. Together we'll rise through time, through the darkness, through the cold. With our friends we'll be brave. When hearts unite, the light will shine.
Dear moms and dads, I would very much like you to like the cartoons and educational videos created by Smartbaby channel. On the channel there is a separate cartoon and video training about Alligator Arnold for your children. This way they will easily learn the alphabet and numbers. Please like this video and subscribe. In the next video, Smartbaby channel made more cartoon and video for the letter B about the butterfly Bella and her friends. See you in the next video. Your Marie.